Hi guys, today welcome back to another video guys. Today we're here for Hamilton Beach Microwave here. Special clean. This microwave is special clean. So this is the wave going and now it's still new. But this is not right there is my takeaway. This is really clean. And outside is clean, everything is clean. So I'm going to show you guys how. Let's see how it looks. There actually still fits. This is why I'm going to put it. Oh guys, I already put the cup of water here. Now let's put it for. Should I put 2 minutes? Sure. You guys already see, guys. You know, the Hamilton Beach microwave spins so fast, everything works. As you guys could see, the microwave still works. Oops. As you guys could see, the Hamilton Beach microwave spins so fast. Look at that. Because it has the spin motor thing. Because it has a light bulb like this. As you guys could see. Now the Hamilton Beach microwave spins so fast and it's right ends over staying still. We bought it at Walmart because the gel electric microwave is staying still. It's black and silver. Because now the Hamilton Beach microwave spins so fast. Look at this, watch. I'm such a bean biscuit right now. Because as you guys could see, you see it's counting down. Because it's 1,000 watts. Hey, little Pinky. And this is my cat. And as you guys could see, this microwave spins so fast and works. And you guys already know that my Hamilton Beach microwave will spin so fast. And it's done. Let's see. Maybe this one. It's hot. Oh my god. Oh, it's hot. Look, actually, guys. Oh, we're doing a cup challenge. And guys, the next one is going to be Hamilton Beach on Hamilton Beach microwave. So we're going to put it for 3 minutes. That sounds a good idea. Should be like that. Alright, let's do it. Put it for 2.5 minutes. Let's do it. So the Hamilton Beach microwave is working. You guys see the light bulb is on, everything works. but it's still heat something, but it has sound on it. Not the sound. It has not that sound. Look at this. Look at this. As you guys could see, the microwave spins so fast. Look at that. It has chicken on, turkey on it. In the cup. Look at this, guys. As you guys could see, the microwave is spinning so fast. So, as you guys see, the microwave spins so fast, and look at that. It actually do the blue and my ice is white. Let's go ahead and turn off the light. I kind of feel nervous. Let's watch this microwave. See what happens. Because as you guys could see, this is the oven stove. Right. Oh shoot. That's how. Oh guys. Hang on. What back? Also guys, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to like and comment in this video. Look at that. And there we go. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Like and Hit the Button channel, which was I'll destroy in Fortnite. See you guys next time.